Good morning everyone, it's Erin here. I'm currently at the W in Punta de Mita and I will show you what I get up to at this beautiful resort. As soon as I stepped into the lobby, I was blown away by the bright colors with the interior design and a beautiful view out to the ocean lined with palm trees. Throughout the hotel, you really get a feeling of luxury combined with the traditional indigenous artistry of the Huichol people. The most prominent example is the iconic footpath. Can you guess how many handmade tiles were used to create this? Well, try more than 1 million tiles. The room I was staying in had a very characteristic surfboard headboard on the bed and lots of colorful touches and decorations, but probably my favorite part was the bathtub overlooking the grounds all the way to the ocean. There is so much that goes into the tiniest details to just make you feel like home. So I've just checked in to the W Hotel and got this super cute little welcoming gift. It gives you instructions on how to make these little cocktail drinks.
Step 1. Add ice. Añade un poco limón. The right amount of tequila. Only you know how much is too much. Top it off with a grapefruit.
Oh my gosh, I ate so well on this trip. Fresh caught octopus, tuna, shrimp, ceviche with all organic vegetables mixed in. Ceviche is probably in my top 5 favorite foods of all time, so I was very happy to eat it every single day. Leah and I are taking a little break. We're having lunch by the pool and it just got brought to us. It looks absolutely yum. Just yum. My coconut's coming. Oh my goodness. Oh, gracias. How are the waves, Michael?
Oh, it's fun.
Yeah, we saw you. You hungry?
Yeah.
Dinner was always a fun occasion, and I would dress up a little bit and meet up with the rest of the group, and we would enjoy a multi-course chef's tasting menu with all kinds of fresh gourmet food and beverages. On one of the nights, we enjoyed a group dinner at the Spice Market, and it is so vibey in there. I felt like I was inside of a Moroccan lantern, and there was even a live DJ and a singer performing for us while we ate. So yeah, I definitely ate a lot of food, but I always worked up an appetite because of all the surfing we did every single day. I don't think I've ever put a surfboard in a golf cart before, especially a longboard. Hopefully it will be fun today, but I have my longboard so I can catch anything. There are so many fun surf spots in Punta de Mita and we had endless options. Either surf just out front of the W, go a short drive away, or we could even take a boat to get to some less accessible waves. Alright, so we just got to the surf spot. It was only about a 10-minute drive from the W Hotel. And this spot, we actually surfed a few days ago and we surfed for 6 hours straight. It was so much fun. It actually is on the smaller side today, but there's still some fun ones coming through. It's high tide, so I don't really have to worry about dinging my board, which is nice. But yeah, should be a lot of fun. See you guys out in the water.
Never back it down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me from my heart, all you're gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna find me from my heart, all you're gonna get is battle scars.
What can I say? I need more than desire, more than just a pretty face. So girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah, someone who can handle me. Someone cut your heart too deep. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away, run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away, baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down.
Okay, we're back from our surf session. It was really small. Not the best, but I did get a few fun ones.
It was small, but there's still like 3 photographers out, drones, like
a surf
a
school.
whole scene going on.
Yeah, there was a lot happening.
So just standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite to death. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a viper, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. What can I do? Gotta keep every heart safe, so we make it out alive. I don't wanna waste no time. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Try to play nice so I won't give you heartache. Trust me, baby, when I say, girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will.
All right, I'm back in the room. I just showered. It's so nice to get all fresh after a surf session. And in 15 minutes, Leah and I have a spa treatment scheduled for us. So getting ready for that.
Ready?
Ready. Woo. No surf trip is complete without some relaxation and wellness. And doing some yoga under a tree canopy followed by a spa session was just what my sore body needed. The spa rooms are built on a koi pond, and you can just listen to the trickling sounds of the water and the birds chirping outside while enjoying your massage. So now I'm going to enjoy the beautiful hydrotherapy facilities in the sauna and steam room. So I'll see you guys in a bit. The hydrotherapy area is a literal jungle spa oasis. I could have easily spent all day in there going from pool to pool, just relaxing and enjoying the sensation of cool water on my skin on a hot day. So we are at BOA Spa right now in the pool facilities area. Just had a lovely yoga session and now we're hanging out, having some breakfast. All right, so we're just packing up, about to check out of the W. It was such a fun stay and I'm stoked I got to share it with you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.